Hello, and thank you for choosing RentSpree. When listing a property, there are a ton of factors that go into how you price it, but a lack of good data to help you determine this. Here at RentSpree, we want you to have as much information as possible to pick the right rental price. That is why we now provide custom reports with industry-leading data for you. These reports include market data for your property and the surrounding area, so you can be well informed when setting your rent price. To get a report, all you need to do is click on the Rent Estimate tab from your dashboard. Once you do this, you will then be asked for some basic information about the property. You can enter this information and then click on the Purchase button, and you will be asked to enter credit, debit, or prepaid card information. After submitting payment, you will be able to click on the Download Your Report button, where the report will download to whatever folder you have selected on your computer, and you can then open the PDF of your report and view all the information included. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at 323-515-7757 or email us at support@rentspree.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.